Hey everyone, my name is Lucky Chedopoli, and today I will be showing you how to add and subtract polynomials. To start off, what are polynomials? Well, polynomials are sums and differences of polynomial terms. To elaborate, polynomial terms are variables in an expression that must have whole number powers. For an expression to be considered a polynomial term, it must not contain any fractional or negative powers on the variables, square roots of variables, or variables in the denominators in fractions. To add polynomials, we simply add any like terms together. In case you don't know, like terms are terms whose variables and exponents are the same, but the coefficients may differ. Now, let's look at a couple of examples to distinguish like terms. In this example, 5x, pi x, negative 3x, and x over 2, all these terms are like terms, and the reason being is that all of these terms have variables that are x. Even our fourth example, because x over 2 can be rewritten as 1/2 x. So the coefficient is 1/2 and the variable is x, just like the rest of these terms. Therefore, all of these terms are like variables. In this example, we have 22y squared over 14, 1/2 y squared, and negative 8y squared. In this example, all of our terms are also like terms, and this is because all of these terms are like terms because the variables are all y squared. Just like in the previous example, this can be converted to 1 over 14 y squared. So our coefficient is 1 over 14. So all of the variables are y squared, therefore they are like terms. In our next example, we have 4x, negative 3x, x over 3, and 2x squared. In this example, we see that all these terms are not like terms because our fourth example has x squared, and the other three have variables of just x. So these three are like terms, but our fourth example is not, because the variable must be x in order to be a like term with the others. Now let's practice some examples of adding polynomials. So let's take, say, x squared plus 3x plus 2 and 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. Now let's place the like terms together. So x squared goes with 2x squared, 3x goes with negative 5x, and 2 goes with negative 1. So we can write this as x squared plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5x plus 2 minus 1. Now add. X squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x, because 3 minus 5. And 2 minus 1 is just 1, So we basically just added the like terms together, and we got our final answer as 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. In this example, we're asked to add multiple polynomials. Here we have x squared plus 4xy plus 3, negative 2xy plus 4, and we also have 6x squared minus y. So in this case, we're going to have to line up all three polynomials. And line up the like terms as well. So for the first example, I'm writing x squared plus 4xy, leaving a space for the y, because there is no just y variable in this polynomial, plus 3, and we're going to add the second polynomial. So here we don't have an x squared, so we can make it 0x squared plus, it's minus 2xy, no single y variable, so plus 0y, plus 4, and in the last polynomial we have 6x squared, no xy example, so we can write that as 0xy. We have negative y and no constant. So since we have the like terms lined up, we can now solve it. So x squared plus 0x squared plus 6x squared is 7x squared, and 4xy minus 2xy plus 0xy would be 2xy, and 0y plus 0y minus y is just negative minus y, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So from adding these three polynomials, we get the answer 7x squared plus 2xy minus y plus 7. So next we have an example where we're subtracting polynomials. So if we're subtracting polynomials, all we need to do is distribute the negative sign among the terms. So this question can be rewritten as 4x squared plus 3, and negative times negative 3x squared would be positive 3x squared, and negative times 2 would just be negative 2. So we can rewrite our question like this. And now, since we have it in a standard form, we can put the like terms together, so we can rewrite it as 4x squared plus 3x squared plus 3 minus 2. So we have the x squared terms next to each other and the constant terms next to each other. In this case, we don't have any terms in x or xy or anything else, so we don't have to worry about that. So next we add 4x squared plus 3x squared is 7x squared, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So from 4x squared plus 3 minus negative 3x squared plus 2, we get the answer 7x squared plus 1. Thank you for watching my video about how to add and subtract polynomials. I hope you now know how to do that and now know the meaning of like terms and how to distinguish if some terms are like or if they're not like terms. Once again, thank you. Bye.